Welcome to Trickeys Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Trickey is preparing a deliciously creamy creme caramel with an intense flavor of orange. Trickey uses the zest of an orange to give the custard a fresh citrus flavor. A citrus twist on a creme caramel is a good way to wow friends and family. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the caramel and the ingredients for the custard. Preparation. You will need 6 to 8 ramekins depending on the size. So grease the ramekins completely with melted butter. Then use a citrus zester to remove the thin colored skin, that is the zest of the orange, without removing any of the soft white pith that lies underneath. And lastly, preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method. We're on stage 1 preparing the caramel. So add the sugar and water to a heavy bottom saucepan. Allow the sugar to melt slowly on medium heat. Then lift and swirl to dissolve the sugar. Do not stir. Dip a brush in water and brush down the sides of the saucepan to dissolve the sugar crystals. Gently swirl the saucepan for even distribution and coloring. Please note, do not burn the caramel. Immediately take the saucepan off the heat as soon as the caramel turns light amber. The darker the caramel turns, the more bitter it will taste. Immediately remove from the fire as soon as the mixture turns light golden brown. Add 2 tablespoons of hot boiling water. Caution, be very careful when adding the water as the mixture will splash. Also, caramel can be made in the microwave. Refer to the Dulce de Leche flan video for instructions. Now pour the caramel into the greased ramekins. Handle with care as the caramel is very hot. Swirl to coat evenly, then set aside to cool completely. We are moving to the next stage, preparing the orange infused milk. So add the milk, cream, zest and vanilla extract to a saucepan. Bring to boil. Then set aside to infuse and cool completely. We are moving on to the next stage, preparing the custard. So add in the eggs, caster sugar and egg yolks to a large mixing bowl. Whisk until well combined. Add in the orange infused milk that we prepared earlier and stir until well combined. Now strain the mixture through a fine sieve into a pouring jug. Skim off any froth from the top of the mixture. Pour the mixture equally into the ramekins over the set caramel. Cover and place the ramekins into the roasting tin. Now pour boiling water into the roasting tin to reach halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Then bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until done. Remove from the oven when done. Lift the ramekins out of the water. The custard is done when the sides are set and there is a slight jiggle in the center when shaken slightly. Then set aside to cool completely and refrigerate overnight before serving. And there you have it, a citrus twist on a crème caramel that you can wow your friends and family with. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickeys Kitchen has lots of other caramel recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.